Hi, I'm Faizal. This is my family.
Hi, I'm Rasidah.
Hi, I'm Liana.
Hi, I'm Aina.
Together with us today is our designer.
Hi, I'm Joanne from Weekend.com. We decided to go with Joanne because we felt that she gave us the best value for money, right?
Yeah.
And we kind of like the ideas that she actually shared with us during our first meetup.
We always have a meetup discussion after office hour, and Joanne always willing to accommodate with our schedule.
The brief that we gave to Joanne was that we wanted the house to be as spacious as possible. Initially, the house has a very small kitchen, so we wanted to convert one of the rooms into a dry kitchen, and we wanted Joanne to actually design in such a way that is a clear difference between a dry and a wet kitchen area.
Joanne was given for 4 weeks to complete the renovation, and I know it's a very tight schedule for her.
In the meantime, 4 weeks times, I need to coordinate with my contractor and push them to fulfill my date times to pass this house to the owner.
But overall, it went smoothly, and yeah, we managed to get it on time for 4 weeks duration given to her. My favorite part is on the living room feature walls, that it plays a lot of lights that make the room is more cozy.
For me, of course, my favorite part will be the kitchen because I love to cook. So when I saw the design for the dry kitchen, it was very beautiful and exactly to my taste.
My favorite part of the house is my bedroom because I played a part in choosing the color scheme for it, which is the color white and a bit of grey. I also helped my mother choose the wallpaper and help her with designing the room to become a conducive environment for me to study and also relax in.
I like the entertainment room because I can spend time there and also relax.
We really like what Joanne suggested, having the cove light in the living room's high ceiling wall, because we really think it helps add to the warm atmosphere of the living room and really pretty to look at.
My advice to new homeowners, first of all, they have to decide what kind of design that they want so that interior designer can sing along with what is inside their mind. We would definitely recommend Joanne from Waken to the new homeowner regarding their house renovation. We would like to thank Joanne from Waken to make our reality come true.
Yeah, definitely. A big thank you, Joanne, for fulfilling all our wishes and enabling us to shift to our house before the fasting month as what we wanted to.
Thank you for letting us shift into our house as quickly as we can.
It's my pleasure to serve you all.